inspections reports जे कितें आसा those they will send it to us. There is no as of now तरी तशें कांय येना. So it's a routine meeting, not specific अशी आतां सद्या after the incident if you are asking जाल्यार अशें कांय meeting has not taken place. Routine जे आमचे meetings फाटी MPT बरोबर जाल्ली, जे stakeholders आसा तांचे बरोबर जाल्ली, जे various अशें की जुवारी ऑयल टँकींग आसतलें किंवा बाकीच्यो ज्यो टँक्स ज्यांच्यो कंपनीज आसा तांच्या सगळ्यां बरोबर ऑलरेडी मिटींग जाल्ली. जशें रेगुलर जाता म्हणजे एवरी इयर जशें हें जाता त्या प्रमाणे टेक प्लेस.
कितलींशीं वर्सां ह्यो HPCL IOC तशीच आमोनिया टँक हांगा वास्कोन आमचे आसा. एक्चुली कुंकळ्ळेचो एक इन्सिडंट जालो ताका लागून खंय तरी लोकांच्या मनान भंय निर्माण जालो आनी एक्चुली भंय निर्माण जावपाची गरज आसा. आमोनिया ही गॅस डेंजरस आसा. हांव MPT तशेंच आमचे HPCL जावं IOC जावं सपोज कितें रिक्वायरमेंट आसा जाल्यार हांव तेंचे कडेन मिटींग घेतलो. तशीच हांव पर्सनली विजीट करतलो. ही एज अ फर्स्ट सिटीजन म्हाजी जबाबदारी की खंय लोकां खातीर काळजी घेवपाची गरज आसा आनी हांव सपोज कितें आसा जाल्यार डेप्युटी कलेक्टराक डायरेक्शन दितलो.
First of all, I want to tell you that this ammonia tank is an atmospheric ammonia storage tank where there is no pressure inside the tank. It is stored at atmospheric pressure. Second thing is it is a double wall, double integrity tank. So it is like there are two tanks, one tank inside and one tank outside. So even if there is a problem with the inner tank, the outer tank is capable of holding the ammonia without a problem. So this is a double safety. Further than that, there is a dike which is actually not required as per standards, but still a tertiary safety requirement. A dike is also provided. There are sensors over there. There are for ammonia detection. Ammonia, if any ammonia leakage is there, detection sensors are there. Then there is a safety system to handle any escape of ammonia. If it happens, there is a foam based system over there. Apart from that, we have normal mock drills. We have emergency whatever preparedness for handling any emergencies over there. Our staff is trained for that. Apart from that, we have got all the permissions which are required. One is the permission from Controller of Explosives, Nagpur. We have permission from Director General of Dock Safety. We have local permissions like consent to operate from Pollution Control Board. We have permissions from Health Department, Fire and Safety Department. All the NOCs permissions are available. Similarly from the Marmugao Municipality and the PDA. So all permissions which are required to operate this facility safely are already in place, and this has been shared with the collector as well as the Marmugao Port Trust. So everyone is aware of all the permissions that we have to operate this tank safely. And this has been operating for last almost 19 years. We never had any untoward incident in this tank, any tank, all these years. Okay, and other thing is that this tank which was put in place in 2002, it was designed by Toyo Engineering Corporation, designed and built by Toyo Engineering Corporation, which are a very reputed company doing this thing. And also we had done risk-based study at that time during the installation of the tank. That was done from NIRI, that is the National Environment Engineering Institute, which is a very reputed institute, NIRI.